Hello, welcome to Learn English with Tangmation. Today's topic is don't say very in English. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our future videos. So, as a new English learner, it's very tempting to say the word very all the time. Like, I'm very hungry. This building is very big. They are very beautiful flowers. I'm very tired, etc. So in this video, we will teach you about different words that you could use in each of these situations and many more. So let's go. Number 1. Jittery. This means very nervous.
Your exam starts in 10 minutes. How do you feel?
I'm quite jittery.
Number 2. Excruciating. This means very painful.
So you have a headache, right?
Yes, it's an excruciating headache. Number 3. Massive. This means very big.
Look at this building.
I know, it's massive. Number 4. Exhausted. This means very tired.
Are you going out tonight?
I don't think so. I'm exhausted.
Number 5. Fearless. This means very brave. I can't believe he is not scared of the lion. He is fearless. Number 6. Deafening. This means very noisy.
These machines are deafening.
Number 7. Gorgeous. This means very beautiful.
What do you think about these flowers?
They are gorgeous. Number 8. Starving. This means very hungry. Shall we have a break?
Yes. I need to eat something. I'm starving.
Number 9. Vital. This means very important.
It is vital that you look both ways before crossing a street.
Number 10. Swamped. This means very busy.
Are you busy today? It's worse. I'm swamped with the paperwork.
Number 11. Freezing. This means very cold.
You better wear a jacket and a hat. Why? It's freezing outside.
Number 12. Thrilled. This means very excited.
My first book is getting published next week. I'm thrilled for you.
Okay, here it is. The 12 alternatives to saying very. We hope you enjoyed it. See our Learn English with Tangmation playlist to learn more about English vocabulary and English grammar. So, until the next time.